we are very fortunate. We have completed 25 years, and in this we have trained thousands of people. And we were initially we were at 4 centers, and now we are at our 10 centers. But the demand is expanding, and we are being stretched towards different parts. We are not only in Sindh now, we are in Balochistan, and we hope to go to other provinces also in order to make it a nation countrywide program so that our workforce can be seen as an international workforce. During this time, the international organizations also came in. Just for example, GIZ. GIZ has given us a hand and has supported us. And the government of Pakistan has also made a agency known as ZABTech, which also supports these activities. So in this way, the support is coming from different corners and different ways. And we believe that will go ahead, and this is going to increase more, because the main issue of today is unemployment. And in the poverty-stricken nations like us, the unemployment is a very grave issue, and we have to address it. Therefore, I think this technical training has made more venues open for the unemployed youth.